Some attacks don't install anything. No files, no obvious malware. And that's exactly why they're so hard to detect. When most people think about cyber attacks, they imagine downloading a suspicious file or installing something dangerous. That used to be the main method, but attackers have evolved. Today, some of the most effective attacks don't rely on files at all. They use what's already inside your system. These are called fileless attacks, and they're designed to stay invisible. Let's break down the most common stealth techniques used. The first is something called living off the land, often shortened to LOTL. It sounds technical, but the idea is simple. Instead of bringing their own tools, attackers use tools that already exist on your computer. Things like command line programs or built-in system utilities. Why does this matter? Because these tools are trusted. Your system doesn't see them as threats. So when attackers use them, their activity blends in with normal operations. It's like someone entering your house and using your own keys, your own kitchen, your own electricity, without forcing anything. Nothing looks broken. That's what makes it dangerous.
The second technique is process injection. This is where attackers take a legitimate program that's already running, something safe like your browser or a system process, and inject their malicious code into it. Now, instead of running separately, the attack is hidden inside a trusted process. So if security systems are scanning for suspicious programs, they won't see anything unusual, because technically everything looks normal. But behind the scenes, something else is running. Third is registry hijacking. The system registry is like a central database that controls how your operating system behaves. It stores settings, configurations, and startup instructions. Attackers modify parts of this registry to maintain access or execute code automatically. For example, they can set their code to run every time your system starts without installing a visible application. You restart your computer, and the attack restarts with it. No shortcut, no icon, nothing obvious. Fourth is memory-based execution. This one is especially stealthy. Instead of writing anything to your hard drive, the attacker runs their code directly in your system's memory, your RAM. Now here's the problem. Memory is temporary. When your system restarts, it clears. So traditional security tools that scan files won't find anything because there are no files. The attack exists only while the system is running. It's like writing something in the air, visible for a moment, then gone. And finally, there's script-based attacks. These involve using scripting languages like PowerShell or JavaScript to execute commands directly on your system. Again, no need to install anything. Scripts can be triggered through emails, websites, or even internal system tools. And because scripting tools are used for normal tasks as well, it's hard to separate what's legitimate from what's malicious.
Now, here's the key thing connecting all these techniques. They don't rely on breaking your system. They rely on blending in. No loud activity, no obvious signs, just quiet execution using trusted components. And that's why they're effective, because most people, and even some security systems, are looking for something obvious. A suspicious file, a strange program, a clear warning. But these attacks don't behave that way. They operate in the background, right inside the system's normal behavior. If you want to understand more about how these threats work and how to protect yourself, check the link in my bio. Because in modern cybersecurity, the biggest threats are not the ones you can see. They're the ones that look completely normal.